guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this fun kind of smoky glam look using basically entirely Pixi products. Pixi has been gracious enough to send me some PR packages over the last couple months, almost a year now, so that has been absolutely incredible. I am so thankful, and I wanted to share some of their products with you guys because their makeup and their skincare is absolutely incredible. So enough rambling, but basically all of this look is done with Pixi products, which are super affordable and highly recommended by me. To start out with eyes, I'm going to dive into this amazingly gorgeous PR package, the Pixi Love package. I'm obsessed with, this is the dumbest thing, but this little brown like protective thingy makes it feel like fancy chocolate. Do you know what I mean? Anyways, it's got two amazingly gorgeous palettes in here. This one is kind of more pink and nude, and this is more kind of gold and nude. So I'll be using both of these, and then this is the cutest little case, and it's got a bunch of brushes in it. I'm going to start off with the Natural Beauty palette because it's more nudes and neutrals, so I can kind of build up the base that I want, and I'm going to go in with this gorgeous color Rose Clay on this fluffy E02 brush by Pixi. Using a smaller brush, this is the Pixi E03, I'm going in with a slightly, and by slightly I mean a lot darker brown color. This is the Deep Taupe from the same Natural Beauty palette. And then of course, to make sure everything's blended out, I'm going back in with that previous E03 brush and just kind of buffing everything together. For highlight, I'm going to pop in with this gorgeous shade Petal. It's kind of like silver with a little bit of a pink undertone, and I'm just using the E01 brush by Pixi. That is blindingly shiny. I love it. Oh my gosh. For my main lid color, I'm going in with this gorgeous shade Metallic Rose, again on the little Pixi E01 brush. I lied, it's actually easier to apply it with my finger, which I hate doing, but this is such a pretty color and I really want the full pigment to show through. Popping over to the Reflex Light palette, I'm going to apply this gorgeous shade Pink Luster right on the very center of my eye for just a little extra highlight. And then to do the kind of faux smoked out wing, I'm going to dive in with this gorgeous color Chocolate Brown, and I'm using a smaller brush. This is the Sephora Pro Smoky Liner number 24 brush. So the wings are done, and I'm going to move on to my face just for a little bit to kind of give my eyes a break because I definitely got eyeshadow in them and I'm wearing contacts. So for bronzer, I'm using this gorgeous PixiGlow cake in the shade GildedBare Glow. It's, as you can see, kind of more bronzy and orangey undertone, so I'm going to use this kind of as my bronzer contour on just a very fluffy e.l.f. face brush. And I kind of like to just kind of swirl middle to end because it's really pretty. For blush, I'm going in with the PixiGlow Cake in the shade PinkChampagne Glow, and this is just a little blush brush from Chic. For blush, I like to do middle to lighter because your girl pale. And And then finally for highlight, I'm going in with that same Petal color that I used before on my inner corner and brow bone, and I'm just going to pop that on my cheekbones for a regular highlight using my Real Techniques setting brush. For the final two finishing touches, brows and lashes, I'm going to cheat just a tiny bit because they are not Pixi products. Either Pixi doesn't make them or I don't own them, but I'm going to be using the Pretty Vulgar mascara on my lashes and then the Benefit Cosmetics Gimmie Brow on my brows. And then last but not least, I'll be popping on one of these Pixi MatteLast liquid lips. I'm thinking Pastel Petal because it's kind of got a rosy undertone, but it is still a little nudie. But definitely make sure you check out the swatch video that I will have coming soon, or it will already be up, we'll see. But yes, I will swatch all of these. I love the colors, I love the formula, and yes, I did keep it in the PR package because the PR package is adorable. So. So this is the final finished makeup look using pretty much all Pixi products. I just want to say a huge thank you and a huge shout out to Pixi. Their products are absolutely incredible. I love their skincare products. I love their makeup products. P.S. definitely let me know if you would like to see an updated skincare routine or a skincare review of the Pixi products. They kind of overlap a little because I definitely use a lot of Pixi products in my skincare routine now. But just let me know because they've graciously, amazingly sent me a lot of stuff. So huge thank you to Pixi. Highly recommend them. Definitely check out some of their makeup and skincare products. They're amazing, and thank you guys as well for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And while you're down in the down bar, definitely check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Eyeleah, EYELEAH. I would love to see you there. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.